Okay, I have here a piece of my fender which rusted out, and I have cut out that rust, but I need to fabricate a piece of metal that will go over this, and I think I'm going to have to do it in several stages because there is some pretty rough edges, and I'm going to have to weld some small pieces in there, rivet them in, and then weld them up. So I'm going to attempt that. That's what I am in the process of trying to do right now. So let's see what we can accomplish. I have my grandson that's supposed to be working, but he's playing soccer ball.
It's not soccer, Grandpa.
He's not making much money.
Oh, hello. What?
Here, let me show you what he's supposed to be doing. He's supposed to be sorting all these nuts and bolts for me. I guess I ought to leave this camera on it so I know whether he's working or not, huh?
I am.
Okay. He's pretending like he's working right now anyway. He's doing a good job. All right.
I don't know where he's go. There you go.
There you go. 2 inches. By 4 inches. So, let's go do it. And I probably ought to put about a 1.5, maybe a 1 inch piece in here. All right. That is just about perfect.
You guys have sense, right? Okay, now stay right there. Now. Oh, I'm gonna throw this at you. Do it. That's what we're gonna do. I am gonna look at this Grandpa.
Okay.
I'm just kidding, I'm not, because it's too low. There. See you?
And that is just about perfect for what I need. Oh yeah. That'll be perfect, I think. Let's see, maybe get that out just a tiny bit more. Grandpa probably ought to come down and go to lunch.
Yeah, me too. I'm getting hungry.
Okay.
Hold on, nobody. Video. Oh, this is gonna be dancing. I need these big ones. See these? See them? I'm gonna put them in. These are the tiny ones. With these. Okay, compared to this one. Look at it, guys. Oh, but look at it. No. Grandpa, now what? I'm done with these ones.
Okay. Is that all the big stuff in there?
Yep.
Okay. There's some more big stuff. Put that in there too. And put these in there too. You see?
These?
Yeah. There's a contour right there.
Oh, wow.
And then the nails, you can put in one of these drawers.
I'm going to take a break. Grandpa. I'm going to take a break.
Okay. Probably ought to come down and go to lunch.
Yeah, me too. I'm getting hungry.